video, you will learn how to solve a probability question using a tree diagram. The bag contains 3 red balls and 4 white balls. Then these balls are taken and replaced. That is 2 balls taken at the same time. You are asked to find the probability that they are red. That is, you take the first and the second. One is red and the other is white. At least one is red. Let's see the use of tree diagram. We bring out the red balls. You have 3, white balls 4. The total of the balls there, you have 7. Probability of picking red ball will be 3/7. Probability of white balls is 4/7. Look at the tree diagram. The first step, when you pick the first one, you have red and white in red and white. Then the second step, remember the second step, you will now have under red you have red white, under white you have red white. So the outcome will be red red, white red, red red, red white, white red, and white white. Let's solve the first one, probability that they are red. The 2 are red. So that means the first one, look at here, you have red and red. Probability that you pick the first one is 3. Probability of red is 3/7. You pick the first one, replace and pick the second one. So 3/7. That is 9/49. B, probability of what? 1 is red and 1 is white. Look at this point. You have 1 is red here, red white, and white red. So that probability will be probability that you have red. The first one is red. The next one, the first one is white. So what you have here, this probability of red is 3/7. That of white is 4/7. Plus the probability of white is 4/7 and that of red is 3/7. So this is 12/49 plus 12/49. That gives us 24/49. Then the last one, C, probability of picking at least 1 red. That is the probability of picking 1 red and probability of picking 2 red balls. 2 red. So the 1 red, probability of picking 1 red is probability of red white, probability of white red, plus 2 red now will be red red. So let's look at this. The whole of this has been given in the second question. So you have the result of this is 24/49 plus the first one, 2 red, 9/49. So your answer now is 33/49. This is the end of this question on probability.